Fuji is a Japanese art of repairing something that's been broken with gold, with the understanding that the object is even more beautiful because it's been broken. And that is such a spectacular model for parenting. Our parent-child relationship is a balance of loving connection and misattunements, conflicts that result in short disconnections. According to Daniel Seigel, ruptures are inevitable breaks in the nurturing connection with our children. What is important is not that ruptures never occur, but that ruptures are repaired. If they're not dealt with, deepening problems in the relationship between the child and the caregiver can affect the child's sense of self. So the quicker that we, the parent, can repair that rupture, reconnecting by apologizing, a hug, a cuddle, listening to our child's point of view, attachment is strengthened, trust is reinforced, and our loved one feels supported and safe.